Today I'm going to share with you how to make money on TikTok in an incredibly quick and simple way. You don't need money, you don't need experience, you don't need any skills, you don't have to talk, you don't have to be on camera. There's a long list of things you don't need. There's a list of maybe two different things that you do need, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly how all of this works and how to get this all set up yourself, because once you see the potential, I think a number of you will actually give this method a go and try and make money with this because it's incredibly simple. So let's dive into it. So we're on TikTok and I've just typed in the word facts. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to go down this niche or category if you don't want to. But we can see on here, look, we've got everyday things. Whilst that may generate a lot of views like it does down here, not potentially going to earn you lots of money. We've got this one over here, random facts. Again, not something we're going to focus on. Come down here, weird facts. Come down here, we've got this one over here, and then we've got this one, sex facts, so relationship. Okay, now you can go down this route, so let me do this. So we could look at facts like this, but ultimately what we would be focusing on is something known as evergreen content. And what that means is we are looking for topics and categories which are evergreen, which means people will always be interested in these topics and subjects. This is always the same thing. It's health, wealth, fitness, and relationships. Okay, so all of those things are what people are always interested in. People are always interested to a degree in becoming healthier, obviously becoming wealthier, making money online and from home or in a business. Relationships as well. That again is a huge thing for people. So if we're focusing our content around this evergreen, category, we can be generating not only a lot of views and potential views, we can also be earning money. Now, the great thing about this whole method is, as I've mentioned, you don't need a lot of time for this. You don't need skills or experience, and you can set this all up really, really quickly. So up here, let me just do this. So we've got facts. Now we can come down here and see different facts. So we've got facts about the girl, facts about psychology. Oh, let's just click on this one here, okay? And let's just scroll down. And again, look, 7 truths about girls. Come down here, we've got exposing. Well, I don't know what that would be. But ultimately, this concept to making money is we decide on a category or a niche in one of those popular topics. Now, if I come over here, I'll show you where you can, break this down even further. So this is over on a website called ClickBank. It's free to sign up to, by the way. So we'll come over here, create a free account, and we'll go to the marketplace. Now, over here on the left-hand side, if I click on this, these are categories, as you can see. And you can go into any one of these and find different products that you can become an affiliate for. When I say become an affiliate for, don't worry, you don't have to pay any money. You don't have to spend a lot of time for this. You find something around that category and you click on promote, and then you can get your own affiliate link. Because with the method we are looking at today, we can actually earn in 2 different, well, potentially more ways, but we're going to focus on 2 different ways. So if I come down here and we're going to health and fitness, we can see that category has sub niches. So we could go in here. Look, we've got addiction, we've got beauty, we've got dental, dietary, diet, etc., etc. So you could go into any one of these different categories over here. So if I click on sleep and dreams, let's have a look. The stop snoring. Okay, how much is this? $39. Come down here, Sleepify. What's that? Sleeply, $70. Come further on the page, 33, 11, etc. Okay, so this here potentially falls into that evergreen topic. Okay, but and again, you can go into lots of these different categories and just have a look at the different products and also the different amounts of money that you can make from this. But let's try and find something about relationships. So we're going to come down here. We've got home and garden, reference, self-help. Let's go in here. So let's have a look. Survival, success, time management, personal. And again, you see all of these things here. These here are all different categories. But let's just go with dating guides, okay? And we'll have a look at this. Let's scroll down. Look at this one over here, starting to jump up. $87. Come down here, $47. Come down here. We've got this one over here, $64. These things are, so we can see there's lots of potential in here. Look, irresistible text, women's dating offer. So if I click on that, it's going to open up in a new tab and I can see what this product is all about. The boring girl's guide to have him wrapped around your finger. Blimey, okay. And you can scroll through, you can scroll down and have a look at the sales page and find out more information about it. And I wouldn't spend a great amount of time on this. I would literally decide on a category. So in this example here, we are going to go into the dating category, which works very simple, it works awesome. Now in here, we can find different products. We can find products for females, for men, and other bits. And literally I'd maybe find a couple and then go with this. So let's just click with this one. And what is this? Video start. So basically this over here is what makes girls beg to sleep. Honestly, some of these products are just crazy, but find one. Once you're happy with this one, you'd click on promote over here. Then you click on generate hop link down here. Now that there is your long link, okay? So you've got a link. So we've decided on a category, we've found a product or products that we want to, become an affiliate for, which basically means we're sharing a link online, whether that's TikTok or YouTube or Insta, it doesn't really matter. Once we've got this link over here and we've got our category, we move on to the next part, which is over here. As you can see, we have got these different videos on here. So let's just go, I'm just going to type this in. I'm just going to type in, let's just type in boy facts. And it doesn't matter, you can check out any category or any niche. And look at this one over here, 2.3 million views, and it's literally just a background video, says boy facts, and it's got some text over the top. 2.3 million views. Let's look at the channel, and you can see on here, yes, exactly as I thought. Background video, little bit of text over the top, and that's it done. Okay, but that's there over in this category. Let's look at something else. Let's look at woodworking. Woodworking, let's go with that. Because again, I know people will be doing this method because it works and you can make money with this. So people over here are sharing different videos about woodworking. Let's just click on accounts. So let me just move my mouse up. Let's just get rid of this. And let's click on accounts. Let's see if there's actual accounts with the name woodworking. So look at this one here. 328,000 followers. And all they're doing here is uploading videos around woodworking. And again, if I was to go over here onto this one, if I was to go over here onto the marketplace and just type in woodworking, like so, I can find products for this. So look, $11, that's not particularly good. Ted's Woodworking, $54. It's been around for years. It constantly converts. So basically, you could create videos around this. And again, these videos, they're not hard to do by any stretch of the imagination. But you can go, I mean, look at this one here, 198,000 followers. Let's go into the account and just very quickly look at this. And again, it literally just looks like stock images, which it is. It's crazy. It really is. So how do you create these sorts of videos without being on camera yourself, without talking or anything? Well, you can use a free piece of software. It's called Canva. We've looked at this in the past numerous times, and it's incredibly simple to use this. So we come in here and we come over here to where it says TikTok video. So we click on that. Opens up into a new tab. And then all we have to do on here is, over on the left hand side, we've got these here. These are different video templates, okay? So you can come in here and pick any one of these that you like the look of, okay? And they're all, bearing in mind, these are all templates, so you can edit any part of these. But look at this one. This looks pretty cool. And also it looks very similar to the one that we saw a minute ago in the facts category, okay? But in this example, we are going with woodworking. So on here, I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to type in woodworking, like so. And then it's going to bring up videos around that. So if I come over here to videos, look, here's a woodworking video, here's a woodwork. All of these, okay? Straightforward and simple. So if I click on here now and bring this over here, that goes on there. So I've now got a video of someone doing woodworking. And all I would do here is now, is we need some sort of text to go over the top of this. So facts about woodworking. So for this, you could use different pieces of software like ChatGPT, or you can use this one over here. This is called Jasper. I use this, it's awesome, and it's free. So in here, all I do is, once I'm inside of the software, I come down here and I'm just going to say, please write 3 tips for woodworking, like so. And it goes on there, takes a second, and then it's going to give me, funnily enough, 3 tips for woodworking. Okay, look, always diddle-a-dim. So we've got these ones over here. Finish with sandpaper, take the time. So I'm going to come on here, I'm going to copy this, look. And then I'm going to go back into the software over here, and I'm going to double click on here, and I'm going to paste that into here. So that would go down here, okay? And don't worry at the minute it doesn't stand out too much, because we're going to change that. So I'm going to come over here to text, I'm going to click on here, and drag this like so up to the top, and I'm going to type in woodworking tips like this, okay? And all I'm doing here is I'm just playing around with this. So like now it looks a bit too big, so if I want to make it smaller, I just make it smaller like so. Okay, that goes there. Then I need an element, so I'm going to click off here, and I need some sort of box maybe, so I'm going to come over here and get rid of this, and I'm going to click on this over here. I'm going to change the colour of that to black, like so. I'm going to drag that over here like this, watch. Oh, I'm going to click on this, I'm going to move it up to here. So now I'm making my text stand out a bit more. I'm going to drag it across here like so. And then basically you can just format it like this. And then that's still a bit too big, isn't it? So now I need to make it a bit smaller, like so. So I've got woodworking tips. Now the video behind is a bit too bright. So now I click on here, go to transparency, and I take it down, like so. Okay? And then you'll notice this text, it's still not particularly standing out too good, is it? So I could change the text color up here. I could click on here and go with it in black or blue or red or any of these different colors like this. I can also click on this and expand it like this. So it's there, but again, it doesn't particularly stand out too great, does it? So you've got a couple of options. I could change the video behind this, or I could even change the font of this, because the font, I can click on here and just change the font and go through different font sizes. I can also make the font, but I can make the text bold using this button here. And I can also, underline it and lots more. But the concept is we literally use AI to create these tips, and we also use the AI software on Canva to create the videos. And then what happens is at the end, so this here would be an example of slide 1. You can see it's 14 seconds. Now, if I click on here and I click on duplicate page, I can say, now if I go back over to, let's just go back over to, where's it gone? This website over here. If I come back onto ClickBank, and I can go to this Ted's Woodworking, I'm going to open this up into a new tab, and I'm going to, what's this? The world's largest woodworking plans. So here, look. So I'm going to scroll up here and get this. And all I'm doing is copy and pasting. So I'm going to copy that. And look, it says here, wait, get your free wood plans. I totally understand, absolutely free. So I could potentially use that in the video as a call to action. So I could just paste this in here like this. The world's largest collection of 16 woodworking plans. And I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to click on here and type in get access to the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. And I'm going to say simply click the link in the comments section. Because obviously when you first start this method over on TikTok, you don't get a clickable link in your bio until you have 1,000 followers. So if you say, click the link in the comments, you can copy your affiliate link and you can put it in the comment section. This here is known as a call to action. Okay, so this is how it would look. Now obviously I'm still not happy with this text, so I want to make it stand out a bit more. So again, I've got a few different options. I could get a different background video, I could change the font of this, or I can just do this. Change this to black, like so. And then I'm going to drag this over here. I'm going to drag it down, drag it up, and do this. And then I'm going to come up here where it says position and send it backwards. And now, obviously, it's standing out. So if I just click on here now, so we can now see how it looks. So we can see in the background we've got someone working away. We've also got our text over the top. And once you're happy with this, okay, so once you're actually happy with the video, you can go ahead and download this video, and then we can upload it onto TikTok, and then we include our affiliate link in the comment sections. But here's the cool thing, okay? How long do these videos take? They don't take a lot of time by any stretch of the imagination. And literally what you can do is, so this would be video 1, you could then use the same background and the same tip up here, this woodworking tips, and then you would put in tip 2, and then you would put in tip 3. But then you always include your call to action down here, because obviously if people are watching videos about woodworking, they are interested in woodworking. It's the same concept with health, wealth, fitness, all these sorts of things. You decide on a category, you find some different products that you can become an affiliate for, then you create content around that. And using software like Jasper, like Canva AI, like Canva here, these AI tools make the whole process incredibly simple and fast to do. And literally, once you've done a few videos with this background over here, I'd just come over here to elements, and I would type in something else, So again, so if I come back over here and I type in woodworking, like so, I could then use a different image, I could use a photo, or I could just use a different video. It's really simple to do. So again, scroll down here, find one that you like the look of, so like this one here, for example. I click on there, I bring it over here, and let me get rid of the previous one, like so. And then I just drag this one like so, just dragging it to fit. I'm going to move it over here so you can see the work going on. Then I click on position, backward, like so. And then that is that one done. And again, it's not as you can see here, it's not a hard process by any stretch of the imagination. Then what happens is over time, in terms of TikTok, you can get accepted into the TikTok Creator Fund, whereby you can be earning money from those videos. And then here's the thing: what I would do. I would also take the same video, I would put it onto YouTube Shorts, I would put it onto Facebook, I'd put it onto Instagram. It takes an additional few minutes, but you can be earning money from multiple different platforms for literally a few minutes of work. So look, that's today's video. If you've got any questions, please let me know down below. As always, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.